Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today I am sharing some amazing Christmas handmade craft ideas that are easy, creative and fun to make. These beautiful DIY crafts can help you to decorate your home and bring the holiday spirit to your life. So sit back, relax and enjoy wonderful craft inspirations. Christmas is a season of joy, creativity and togetherness. One of the best ways to celebrate this special time is by making handmade crafts. DIY Christmas crafts are not only beautiful but also a wonderful way to express creativity and creative memorable decoration. Handmade decoration add a personal touch to store budget items cannot replace. Every craft tell a story and reflect the efforts, imagination and love that went into creating it. Simple materials can be transformed into stunning holiday decoration with a little creativity. Ribbon, fabric, cardboard and recycled items can be beautiful Christmas masterpiece. Crafting is a great activity for families. Parents and children can spend quality time together while creating festive decoration. These moments often become some of the most treasured holiday memories. Another wonderful thing about handmade craft is that they are budget friendly. Do you know? Not need expensive supplies to create something beautiful, and many decorations can be made using items already available at home. Christmas craft encourage imagination and inspire people to take creatively. Every project can be customized by different colors, patterns and designs to match personal style. Decoration at home with handmade craft creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Every corner becomes filled with holiday charm and festive beauty. The craft DIY craft can also make together thoughtful gift. A handmade gift shows care and efforts, making it extra special for friends and family members. Creating decoration by handmade give a sense of accomplishment. Watching simple materials turn into beautiful creation can be very satisfying and enjoyable. The holiday season is a perfect opportunity to try new ideas and experiment with different craft techniques. Every project helps improve creativity and crafting skills. Many people enjoy collecting handmade decorations year after year. These crafts often become textured keepsakes that bring back happy memories whenever they are displayed. Crafting can also be relaxing and stress relieving. Spending time creating something beautiful allow people to focus on the present moment and enjoy the creative processing. Christmas decoration do not have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest idea create the most beautiful result. A touch of creativity can transform ordinary materials into extraordinary decorations. Handmade crafts bring a uniqueness to a holiday decoration. No two projects are exactly alike, making every creation special and meaningful. As a holiday season approaches, home become brighter and more cheerful with festive decoration. Handmade crafts play an important role in creating this magical atmosphere. Whether you are making ornaments, tables, decoration, art wall, or festive centerpiece, every project adds beautiful and joy to the celebration. The best part about crafting is there are endless possibilities. Every idea can inspire another creative project, make the holiday season even more exciting. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and exploring these wonderful Christmas handmade craft ideas. I hope this creative inspiration encouraged you to start your own DIY projects and enjoy the magic of handmade decoration with these holidays. Thank you so much for your love and support. Your likes, comments, and encouragement inspire me to create more videos for you. To my all amazing viewers, you are the heart of this channel. I truly appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this Christmas craft handmade ideas, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new creative video. Have a wonderful day, stay creative, and see you in the next video. And I hope you like this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Creativity is the magic that turns simple things into beautiful art. Keep crafting, keep smiling, and spread the joy of handmade creativity. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this Christmas handmade craft ideas, please like, share, and subscribe for more creative videos. And stay happy, stay blessed, stay creative. I hope you like this video. So, if you like this video, to subscribe my channel. Again, thank you so much for your watching. I hope you enjoyed these beautiful Christmas ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas. Keep supporting and stay connected with us for amazing content. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and take care. Stay blessed. Stay blessed, stay creative. Bye. See you in the next video.